Hey everybody, my name is Steve, and today I wanted to share with you my Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volt workshop blower. It's a small blower, as you can see. There's my hand, but let me tell you, don't let the size of this little blower fool you. It is awesome, and it's also powerful. All right, right straight off the box, it is a variable speed trigger. It has 3 speed modes. Maximum airspeed of 160 miles an hour, compact, lightweight, has a rubber nozzle, and it works with the Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volt battery. Here is the blower without the battery in it. That's the way it comes when you buy it. It does not come with the battery. You'll have to purchase the battery separately. Up here on the handle, you'll see 1, 2, and 3. Those are the 3 speeds, and you'll adjust it there. The nozzle is removable if for some reason you want to take it off, or if you want to take it off for storage. It makes it a little more compact. The nozzle is flexible. This is the Ryobi ONE Plus battery that I'm using. In my case, I'm using the 4 amp hour battery. It's a little more, it weighs more than the 1.5 and it lasts longer. So this particular battery I'm using is a little more powerful than the other. Just pop the battery in. Just like that, and you're ready to go. Now, even though we're on video, hopefully you can hear the variable speeds on this. Right now, it's set to 1. I want you to listen. All right, I'm gonna set it to 2. You hear that more power? And now let's go all the way to 3. And there's your power. At number 3, this thing is blowing like crazy. This is the inside of my van, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it is extremely dirty and messy. I've been hauling some stuff, so I'm gonna put it in number 2, and hopefully the camera will pick it up. Let's clean this thing out. I've got one word for this Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volt workshop blower, and that is amazing. I know that word is overused nowadays, but it is truly amazing. I'm so glad I have it. It's going to help me keep my workshop, my van, probably my cars, anything else I need blown. It's going to help me do the job. I really like it, and I hope this has helped you if you are looking at this product.